Welcome to today's tutorial on making a table of contents in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, a thesis, or any document with multiple sections, a table of contents can help your readers navigate seamlessly. In this video, we will walk you through the process. Let's dive in. 1. Place the cursor. Position your cursor where you'd like the table of contents to appear. Typically, it goes after the initial title but before the main content. 2. Insert the table of contents. Click on Insert in the Google Docs menu bar, choose Table of Contents. 3. You'll see two options. The first option creates a plain text table of contents with page numbers on the right side. The second option inserts hyperlinks that jump to specific sections, ideal for online viewing. 4. Format your headings. To make the table of contents work, format your headings using built-in styles. Heading 1. Top-level entries in the table of contents. Heading 2. Subsections, indented under Heading 1. Heading 3. Subsections of Heading 2, and so on. Docs will use these styles to populate the table and create clickable links. 5. Update your table of contents. If you make changes to headings, add, remove, or modify text, update the table of contents. Click the existing table of contents. Click the Update Table of Contents button. Looks like a refresh icon. 6. Deleting the table of contents. To remove the table of contents, right-click it and select Delete Table of Contents. Congratulations! You've mastered creating a table of contents in Google Docs. Now your readers can easily find their way around your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.